first, let's put the butter. And then, when the butter is already heat, we have to put the garlic. Let's wait until it's golden brown. And then, the ginger. So when it's already cooked, of course, our onion. And now we are going to put our pusit, our squid. You can smell the ginger and the onions and the garlic. And now we are going to put some brown pepper. Now let's add our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And let's mix it all together. Let's add our 2 tablespoons of our oyster sauce. Now let's put our laurel. Let's make sure that our squid will not be going to be overcooked. So now we'll already simmer it for 3 minutes, and then we're going to add our vinegar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Stir it. And then also our ink, the ink of our squid, we're going to put it. So this would be our natural flavor. Let's mix it well until our squid is finally coated with the ink of our squid. So we call it Adobong Pusit. Now we're going to add our seasoning granules. So let's simmer it for 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes. And then we're going to cover it.